Hey guys, this is iPhone 12 Pro Gold 256 gig version. Welcome to the unboxing. This is the box. I just got it today from the shipping from China, so I'm really excited to do unboxing. Let me get my knife and get the unboxing. So here is the iPhone Gold. Let me open this. Let me get this box out of this packaging box, and it's a good packing. So this is the iPhone Gold 256 gig version. Let's do unboxing. Okay, let's do unboxing. Here is the box. This year it's a black color box, and you can see it's a tiny box this year compared to the last year model. Last year was heavy because you had power brick in that. You also had earbuds. Now this year I think Apple, to save the planet, they have gone small and they have not included power brick and earbuds. So I already purchased power brick from Apple, and I had already the power brick from my older iPhone 10, so I can use that also. But this one is a USB-C to lightning cable, so this is going to help me do a fast charging. So let's open the box for which you are here. This is the first look of iPhone 12 Pro Gold. Wow, this is really beautiful. This shiny edges, gold color, it's really beautiful. They have all the new cameras. I'll talk about that. And this is I think they have gone with a paper leaf this time instead of a plastic like the last year model. So let's do unboxing of this. Take out this paper leaf, and here is your iPhone 12. Let me boot it up, and we'll do a setup. I hope there is some battery already with the box it came in, so it's going to start. Yep, here you go. So I'll tell you, in person it's really beautiful. This new gold finishing on the stainless steel, and this square flat edge design compared to the rounded corners is really beautiful. And I think they have this 5G antenna built right into the phone this year on the side. So this thing is a 5G antenna, and US models will include 5G millimeter wave to have faster data networks. So that is good thing. And cameras are new. You have a new LiDAR sensor, which is good for augmented reality. If you are into that, gaming and creating some videos for AR. And see, let's compare it with the old iPhone. So see, this is a rounded. This model is actually a 5.8 inch iPhone 10, and this has rounded edges. So you see the square edges, flat edges looks really good. And there is a little bit, the new model is taller because it's a 6.1 inch this year. So it's little bit taller, not much that you can actually notice. So that's a good thing. It's I like not 6.5 Pro Max or the 6.7 inch. Those are too big for me. I don't. So I go with this 5.7, 5.8 inch last year and this year 6.1. Width wise, little bit more thick, but it's good because this is too thin. Actually, it can break. Sometimes people have created some videos where it was bending, but I think this year it will be more sturdy. But all in all, this really looks good in person than in the photos, so I'm really happy about it. I'll do quick setup. Quick setup is easy. If you have the older iPhone, you can simply connect both the phones to the power, and then it will ask you to scan the uh, image will appear on this iPhone 12 Pro that you can scan, and that will set up and move all the data from the old phone to the new phone. So setup is really easy if you want to directly build the backup from the you want to transfer the data from the iPhone to iPhone. Otherwise, you can create an iCloud backup, or through a Mac you can sync all the data, and then also you can connect the wire and then get the data transferred. So I'll do the setup, and I'll create another video how to do the setup and what are the new features and all the new camera photos, all those things. I'll talk about it. So this is a quick unboxing. I I want to also mention that there is a wire. This is a USB-C wire that is the same wire that you have received last year, so it's not different. And this is the regular paperwork, SIM ejection tool, and also you have a iPhone sticker. This year I think it's just one because they have made this box small, so everything is reduced, the paperwork and the stickers. Never mind, but this is all good. The phone is really good, have the 5G capability, so that cover ups for everything else. So here you go, the final look on the iPhone 12 Pro. And this is a quick unboxing. Thank you for joining us today. See you later in the next video.